Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today I am going to show you how to go from zero to mint with the help of the secret society XX. So this is a really cool project I just reviewed. Obviously told you I would be doing this follow-up video. They asked me to show you if you're brand new to NFTs or if you're newer to the NFT world, an experienced crypto user, all that sort of thing. All of you are going to be able to mint after this very simplistic video. I promise you, I'm no genius. I think we can all do this. So we are going to start by registering for a Crypto.com, Coinbase, any sort of wallet. I personally am going to recommend Crypto.com, however. So the cool thing about Crypto.com is you will sign up. All you have to do is provide an identification proving that you are 18 years or older and sign up just like any social media website. I personally love help.crypto.com. Very easy. They explain to you right here how to register, everything that you need to know, but again, it is just as easy as signing up for any social media. Then we are going to buy our Ethereum on here, take our phone, and then send over, and by the way, you can technically use it on your computer. I know a lot of us use phones. It's actually a lot quicker for phone. Because what you're going to do is you're going to buy the proper amount of Ethereum. They also, of course, are using Solana on this project. But the really cool thing is that you're going to buy the proper amount. Make sure you get a little bit extra for gas fees, and then you're going to send it to your Metamask wallet. What is a Metamask wallet? Well, it is essentially a beautiful way to store your Ethereum or other ERC20 tokens. However, I do also keep my BNB on Metamask. It's a really wonderful wallet for just a lot of diversity, to be honest. And Metamask is essentially the #1 wallet you want to use to connect with different websites. So that way you can actually pay for the minted item through the website while connecting your wallet in a completely safe way. That way you will not get scammed. Because MetaMask makes sure it is very tough for people to scam you, all the way down to your 12-word passphrase, which is going to be the thing you need to hold on to in case you forget your password. You will need that to get back in. Now, MetaMask is 10 times easier to set up, honestly, than Crypto.com because you don't really need to register anything past what you would with a regular social media. You don't even need to hold coins in the wallet, to be honest. You just need to sign up for it. It's nice and easy, and it's a really easily added on feature on Chrome, as we can see right here. Now, I'm showing you here my Metamask wallet at the moment, just so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. And then if we want to send over to our Metamask, what we're going to do is view our account details. And on Crypto.com, it's super easy. You're just going to click the Ethereum, click transfer, and then when you're ready to transfer, it's going to ask for a code. You can either copy paste this code, or because of the beauty of technology, take your phone, boom, scan that QR code, literally takes seconds, and then you will send it over. Now, to be clear, the sending it over will not take seconds. It'll take a couple minutes, possibly up to 30 minutes, maybe a little longer technically. Generally, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes in my experience, even less a lot of the time. The first time you're sending to a new wallet, it takes a little longer, to be clear. Then it generally speeds up from there. But what you will do is take that Ethereum that you have bought to mint, send it over again with a little bit extra for gas fees, keeping that in mind. It's a very regular thing, of course, that you need to be able to pay to get that NFT. That way you're able to get it sent over to you properly, basically. We can get into gas fees a little bit later if necessary, if you guys want to know more about that. And we can see here, though, you will send it right to your MetaMask. You can see that I have a balance here of 0.175 Ethereum in my MetaMask. I don't usually keep large amounts in it, just enough to kind of hold on to, maybe buy some NFT here and there. This is actually right after I personally just bought into a different NFT, and I will definitely be putting some more into my wallet to be buying myself a Secret Society XX. I really love the pieces. I think it's beautiful art. Then we're going to go over to the website. Now, the website is going to have this cool button somewhere on the screen. It's going to be real simple. It's going to say mint. Now, you're going to click that mint button, and up to the top right of your screen, basically when you're facing up to your top right of your screen, you are going to then see the MetaMask will actually come down from there. It'll actually like come down and say, would you like to allow them access to, would you like to allow access to the website? You reject or connect, which just connect on that one. It's not going to take any money. It's just asking if you'd like to go ahead and connect. You will connect. Then it will allow you to mint from there. Again, all on some easy buttons you'll see here on the website when it's time. Then you'll click that button. It'll say mint, how many you'd like to do, and what the price of those are. You're going to, of course, mint as many as you can afford on this project. Seriously though, you're of course going to click the amount, the number that you would like. You're going to then click mint. It's going to come back down again on that same area, show you what the cost is, show you what the cost of gas is, and you will then click accept or reject. Now again, keep in mind, you're going to need a little extra for gas fees. I'm telling you that now so you don't forget that when you're minting last minute. All right, my friends, and it's very easy, just as simple as that. Just a couple of button clicks, it'll have you accept or reject up here, and it is that simple, my friends. If you do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me at CryptoCoins on Instagram. I would be so happy to help you with anything. But thank you very much to the Secret Society XX for actually contacting me to help you learn how to mint an NFT. It's a very fun video and a very fun project. As always, my friends, thanks for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next video.